What's up, guys? It's been long since I've done a video, so I had to get back. So on today, I'm just gonna make something beautiful for y'all. So you wanna stick around until the end on this video. So today, I'm just making a short video. Hopefully, this video I've been making bucks on this sites that I'm just about to share with you. It's basically you answering surveys. So you answer a couple of surveys and you're making a whole lot of bucks. And it's straightforward payment and it's straightforward withdrawals, and you're receiving your money same time as soon as you complete the survey. So you want to stick around and make sure you watch the whole video, because I'll be showing you some tips how to actually get surveys like every day, so you can make money like every day and actually withdraw it to your PayPal, and then from there you can actually withdraw it to your bank account. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's just get started with this video. I don't want to waste any time. I'm so excited. That's how excited I am to share this platform, these two platforms that I'm just about to share with you. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna draw an extra one just to spice things up. I'll give you an extra one and I'll make it three. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. On today's video, like I said, I'll be showing you how to make money just by answering surveys. These surveys differ. They ask you a whole bunch of questions about a whole bunch of different things. So like it's never like you're gonna be answering surveys on like on one particular thing. It's different. Like they keep asking you question on different subjects. So the first platform that I'm gonna share with you is called My Voice Surveys. Okay, so with this platform, I've been making a couple of bucks with this, but I haven't actually made my withdrawals. Reason being why I haven't been paying attention to it. So that's the problem that I've came across. But right now, I'm putting in more time because like I'm saying that okay, there's progress within the site. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm really gonna start focusing on making some extra cash on this site, because on the other platforms I have been making it extra bucks. So now I just wanna solely, okay, not solely, but like focus on this one and on the other one. So whenever I have time, I'm just gonna pop it onto the site, check if they got any surveys for me and start doing them. So on the site, it's like I said, it's all surveys. The minimum amount that you have to actually start making a withdrawal is actually $12.74, and I've only made like $7.26. So that's the amount that I have made at this moment. What am I doing now? Okay, so when you have a survey, it will actually pop up here, but at the moment I have no surveys. So yeah, I was going to show you an example how to actually get start, like how to actually do a survey, but since I have no surveys, there's no time for that. So then you have your rewards. When you have your rewards, like they actually show you how many surveys you have done and how much those surveys have paid you. So at the moment, like I said, I only have $7.26, and that's about it. So I need to work more and actually start withdrawing from this account. But as soon as I'm making a withdrawal, I will update you all. The whole point, the I wouldn't say the main thing about the site is to make sure that your profile is completed. So when you sign up on this platform, the first thing that you need to do is actually make sure that your account is fully up to date. For instance, these are all the questions that they ask you: auto, computer, video gaming, education, electronics, stuff like that. You need to answer all these questions. You need to come onto these one by one and actually answer questions. And then from there, once you're done, your account will be fully verified, and then you're able to receive surveys like every day. So once all this is complete and you're receiving surveys like every day and you're making it bucks. So the whole point is to actually complete your whole profile, make sure it's 100% thorough, and then from there you will start receiving your surveys and actually start making it bucks. So my activities, like let me just show you some of the surveys that I have done within the past. So these are the surveys that I've currently done. Like there are some surveys that you will get, but they have a certain target. Like for instance, they will send out like a survey, but they only need like 200 people to answer that survey. So once that survey is in the market and it reaches that 200 people, for instance, you the 201 person to like click on that link, they will actually tell you no, the survey is full, so you're unable to do it. So as soon as you receive that email, because they normally send it to your email, as soon as you receive that email that hey, we got a survey for you, it's a good time to actually pop in and go do that survey. But sometimes, for instance, if you get a survey like today, you can always do it the next day. That's if they haven't reached the target yet. So like I say, these are some of the surveys that I've missed out on. These are a completed one. As you can see, I got paid $2.28. I missed this one. I completed this one. So that's just a small in detail, like how surveys come along and how if you do a survey, or like if the survey is available for you to do or it's not available for you to do. So this is just a quick summary to show you your activities on your account. So like I said, the link will be in the description, so just make sure you click the link below. And of course, referrals, baby. You can always make money with referrals. I always like say to people, also send out referrals to your friends, your family, your mates, your colleagues. Just send them referrals, make the extra cash bucks. So here, to make things better, for every 5 friends that join you in taking surveys, you are rewarded. So every 5 friends that join, you are rewarded. I'm not too sure how much, because I haven't like done any referrals that much. So I just tested out on my account just to get the link. So what you can do, you can just get the email of that person, hit him up over here, put his email here, and send him an invite. Simple as that. But the link will be in the description, so make sure you support me, and then definitely the next person will support you. So this is just a brief summary of my voice surveys.com. Link will be in the description, so make sure you check it out and then start making that money. Oh, the main part, the withdrawal. So people always want to know, how do you make withdrawals? What I love about these platforms is that like your money just goes straight to your PayPal. Your money goes straight to your PayPal, so you don't have to hassle and be like, my money, my money. You need a PayPal account, straightforward and simple. Without a PayPal account, you can't do anything. So you need to make sure that you have a PayPal account. Where did I see? Okay, yeah. So at this moment, I do not have I do not have sufficient funds to actually make a withdrawal. But you need to have a PayPal account to actually start making your withdrawals. Without a PayPal account, that means you can't make any withdrawals. So you need to make sure that PayPal account is on point. You have to have your PayPal account. So let's just move on to the next one. The next one, oh, before we actually move on to the next one, make sure you hit that subscribe and make sure you hit that like button on my YouTube channel. Bam! As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. I have grown this YouTube channel within a year to 574 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, guys. To all my subscribers, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time when I do upload a new video. So let's just get straight to the next one. So the next one is called Mob Rock. I've shared this one previously before. Some people have seen it, some people have not seen it, but I just thought I should just share it again, because I've been killing it on this one. Like, I've been making a whole bucks on this one, like, and I'm still making a whole lot of cash on this one, and I really enjoy it. So paid online and mobile service. You can also download the app. They also got an app on Google Play Store or Apple. I'm not too sure. I don't have an Apple phone, but on Google Play Store they do have an app. So you can just download the app onto your phone and actually start doing surveys. So let me just log in onto my account. I'm not going to get too much in detail with this one because everything is just the same as the previous one. We're doing surveys. They actually tell you how many minutes the survey is going to take you, and then they tell you how much you're going to get paid for the survey. It's the same thing with this. Your profile needs to be 100%. You need to have your profile on 100%. They ask you certain questions before you actually get started. So make sure that your profile is 100%. Everything is answered, like everything is on point. That's how you actually get to make more money every day. So if your account is not 100%, that means maybe in a day You'll get one survey, don't get a survey in a couple of days, get another survey after 4 or 3 days. So you don't want that. You want to make sure that every day you're getting a survey. Every day. Every day. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you my balance. At this moment, I'm sitting on $8.50. 50 cents. 50 cents. Yeah. So yeah, on this one here, they'll also give you a short summary of your surveys that you have done and how much they actually paid out. So these are the surveys that I have done, and this is how much I've actually got from them. And these here are my withdrawals. These over here are my withdrawals. So I've made like 3 withdrawals. I like to actually like accumulate as much as I can and then make 3 or 4 withdrawals at the same time. I do make one withdrawal, but like I'm not a fan of making one withdrawal. I'm more of a person who likes get my money in chunks. Know what I'm saying? Get my money in chunks. So yeah. So this is just a brief summary of the surveys that I have done, and like I said, I like to get my money in chunks. So this was another 3 withdrawals in one day. Was it one day? Yeah, these 2 are one day, and this followed after that on a certain different day. So yeah, I just like to accumulate as much as I can, and then from there make a withdrawal. Same thing with this. To make a withdrawal, you need a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, then I think I'm not too sure what other withdrawals they have. Oh, they got Eco, uh, whatever that is. They got PayPal and they got Skrill. So with this here, I've tried it out. You actually donate the $3.50. When you donate, they actually plant a tree in a certain country for you with your name, so you can come back and keep checking how far the tree has grown and stuff like that. So I actually like it. I'm gonna try it out and see. Like, oh, here's it here. Use your credits environmentally conscious. Conscious and take over the sponsorship for a tree. So you actually planting a tree. That's great. For me, I love donating, so I'm gonna do this definitely. With the tree tracker, you can see where your tree stands, watch it grow, and even chat with your tree. Can you actually chat with a tree? Uh, okay. So yeah, so that's how you make an withdrawals, PayPal or Skrill. But I mostly do PayPal because it's same time. Everything is same time. So pretty much that's about it. There's nothing complicated that I can just tell you about on these sites. Everything is simple. And for the last and final one that I was just about to share with you, oh yeah, oh yeah. Um, so the last one that I was just about to share with you is drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Bam. Okay, guys. So this is just a table of contents that I've actually downloaded. These are some of the other platforms that I was just looking through that I could have shared, but there's just way too many. So what you can do, you can actually like look onto it one by one and actually Google them and actually see which other one you would love to try. These are like so many. These are like so many. I like to stick to 2 because like once I have too many surveys, I won't have time to do my other things. So I'm just sticking to 2 at this moment. But these are other ways that you can, these are other like sites that you can actually go to and actually check them out, see if they're supported in your country. Because I'm based in South Africa, so I'm just using these 2 because everything is on paper. Like all my money goes straight to my PayPal account. So for me, that's easy. So like I said, these are some of the surveys, these are some of the websites that you can actually visit. Earn $10 per survey, $10 surveys for money, and earn $10 per survey. Yeah, There's so many guys out there. Like there are so many out there. So the only thing you just need to do is you need to go out there and actually like just Google it, try it out, make a withdrawal. If it's successful, bam, you know you're on your way on to make money. So guys, that's about it from me. For those guys that have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate y'all. And for those who haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to make some money? Don't you want to make some money? Because I'm making that money. But anyways, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And from me, I'm Ebrahim Mbokazi, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.